Noong panahon ko, Senate President, ginawa din yan. Nagkaroon ng rump session, may isang grupo ng mga senador, hinalal si Blas Ople bilang Pangulo ng Senado to replace me. Kinwestiyon namin yung validity noong rump session nila. Hindi namin tinigil, ngunit binigyan namin ng instruction o walang record na lalabas sa Senate records na nagkaroon ng ganong hearing. Kaya sa kasaysayan ng Senado, wala pong hearing na yon, wala yung sinasabing session. Ganon rin dito. Hindi kinikilala ng grupo ni Wayne Gatchalian yung session ng Blue Ribbon. Kaya sa records ng Senado, walang ganong investigasyon na nangyari.
Just to put it on record, is it fair, at least from your point of view, to call this a rump hearing?
No, that is not my point of view. That is what Alan Cayetano has characterized it. I'm sorry, that's what William Gatchalian characterized it, because he said hindi authorizado yan, kaya that's a rump session. Hindi yan, that's the description of Gatchalian.
If hindi ito part ng Senate session, if this is not considered as an official activity of the Senate as a body, then hindi protected yung mga resource persons doon sa immunity of lawsuit against, let's say, sa pagsisinungaling, kung mayroon silang mga false statements na ibibigay doon. Tama po ba yun?
Kahit po recognized, hindi ka naman pwede magsinungaling. You'll be liable for perjury if the Senate hearing is authorized. The same principle applies kung ikaw ay nilibel mo ang isang tao doon sa sinasabi ng hearing, mayroon din karapatan yung nilibel mo na sampahan ka ng kaso.